Hi, I got this Colourpop palette. Let's swatch it. Okay, I love all makeup but cool tones. I'm just a sucker for. And look at this palette. Ta-da! This is about as cool toned as you can get, other than maybe one of them. So I've used some of these colors already for contour. We're gonna have a knock your socks off kind of shimmer in that top corner. So let's just go ahead and get started swatching this. Why do you have to do it? Why? Just stop. All right, the shade names are hard to read, so I'm just gonna put them on the screen. But this is the top left. It looks a little silvery in the pan, but I think it's coming off more of as a white shimmer. And then I'm really curious about this matte white. It's a little sheer. I think you could build this up though into a really nice matte white, and it's hard to get that color. I don't know why. Third one is another shimmer. Weird, it's kind of in between silver and champagne. Are you seeing that? And then I'm gonna need more than a pinky swatch for this top one. OMG. This is stunning. It's more chunky glitter than shimmer, but my goodness, that is gorgeous. All right, second row. Oh, I love this. This is a matte with straight up glitter in it. I think it's supposed to be a like light gray. So like this is more straight up glitter. These are more shimmer. This is matte. And then like, I don't know if you can tell how this is different. It's like a different quality than just the straight up shimmer. Let's see this next one. This is more of a shimmer as well. A little more silvery and blue than this first one up here. Oh, these are so gorgeous. A lot of silver, but they're so gorgeous. All right, this one isn't showing up very well in my skin tone. I have light skin with cool undertones, and I think that's what this shade is. I do see some bluey silver reflect though. And then this might not show up either. This is a color that I can use to contour. It's gonna be beautiful on the eyes as well to like get the gradient. It's like a taupey grayish with a little purple. I don't know, is that a thing? This one I can also use as a contour at the bottom row. Okay, this one almost completely blends in. It's just the shade of like how a shadow would land on my face. Like it's the color of the shadow, and that's what you want for a contour. All right, this one's just a straight up dark gray matte. This looks like it's gonna be gunmetal. Let's see. Yep, it's like a gunmetal gray shimmer. That's very pretty and pigmented. And then looks like we've got a black shimmer at the end here. Yes, I'm not real happy with the pigment there. It's a smoky black with like some blue shimmer in it. This is beautiful. I love this. I can't wait to like wear some of these in the inner corner or make a smoky eye with this. I don't need these shadows, but it's so pretty to look at. So thanks for watching this swatch video. We've got a lot more swatch videos, Colourpop, Profusion, Beauty Bay, everything. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye. And look at this palette. You are so annoying. Let me do my thing. Let me zoom out a little bit just to make sure. And we're gonna do this. And you are gonna stop. It just is, it's this. All right.